The Nigerian Senate don set up 20-member ad hoc committee to officially take over the work wey Rivers State House of Assembly suppose dey do sake of the political wahala wey dey happen for the state. Na Senate leader Opeyemi Bamidele dey lead the committee with Rufai Hanga as im deputy plus 18 other senators join body. Na on Tuesday the announcement happen wey Senate Presido Senator Godswill Akpabio announce am as plenary resume. Akpabio tok say the committee get very important work as dem go make sure say legislative oversight for Rivers State dey properly handled.
Let me also mention that there is need for us to have a committee, just like the House of Representatives has done, the leader of the Senate, to oversight the functions of the administrator of Rivers State and the Rivers State government under emergency rule. So the chairman of that committee will be Sir distinguished Senator Michael Opeyemi Bamidele, the Senate leader, and the deputy chairman will be distinguished Senator Rufai Hanga.
This move na part of the coordinated legislative response join with another committee wey House of Representatives don set up to oversee wetin dey happen for the state during the emergency rule wey President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declare for March 2025. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.